What's up guys, so in this video we are going to discuss Notepad++, how to download, install and use on Windows. Notepad is a default text editor in Windows. It is a basic editor which helps you to create and modify text files. If you are looking for free, fast and feature-rich editor, then I would recommend Notepad++. You can even use it as a direct replacement for Notepad. I am sure you are going to love this editor for the ease of use, speed and features like syntax highlighting, regex enabled search and replace and plugin support. Notepad is a free source code editor. It is written in C++ and uses powerful editing components Scintilla, Windows 32 API call and STL, which makes it efficient but Windows only software. Linux user, you don't have to worry, there is a snap package available that you can use across Linux distros like Ubuntu, Red Hat, OpenSUSE, CentOS and Fedora. Let me talk about some of the prominent features of Notepad++. First one, plugin support. Now, plugins are basically the add-ons that extend the basic functionality of Notepad++. Some of the popular plugins are Compare, Combine, FTP and Plugin Manager, and there are more than 150 plus plugins available. I have given the link in the description that you can check. I am going to create some good tutorials on Notepad++, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon to receive notification whenever I publish a new video. Second feature is a multi-document tab interface. It supports both horizontal as well as vertical tabs. Each tab runs separately with individual close button. Now can you tell me how many tabs it can support? I myself have tried somewhere around 200 plus tabs and it will work. And I am sure in the real world nobody is going to use 200 tabs. The next feature, syntax highlighting and syntax folding. I love this feature as a programmer. When you enable this, it highlights the reserved words and comments in different color as per the programming language. So you can easily identify what is the code, which are the comments, which are the reserved words. So that makes code easy to understand. And Notepad++ supports language like C, C++, SQL, Python, Perl and Shell, and there are many others. You can define your own syntax highlighting as well. And some of the other features like effective search and replace, auto completion, zoom in and zoom out, multi-language environment support, macro recording and playback, multi-view, and what you see is what you get printing. Now let's go ahead and download and install Notepad++. So let me open the Chrome browser and search Notepad++ in Google. Click on the first link, that is the official website for Notepad++. The current version is 8.4.6. Click on that link to download Notepad++. Now it is available in 64-bit, 32-bit and ARM64 configuration. So depending on your system configuration, you have to either choose 64-bit or 32-bit. If you are not sure, it's best to choose the 32-bit installer. So let's go ahead and download the 32-bit installer. Click on the download file when the download is complete to start the installation. Now here you have to choose the language, so it's available on different languages. So I'm going to select English. Okay. Click on next. So this is license agreement. Just agree. One point to remember here, if you are admin of the system, then choose this path. Otherwise, I would suggest to install on some other path, let's say D or E drive. So I am going to choose D drive here. Why this? Because if you are not an admin on a system, it won't allow you to install plugin. Okay, and plugins is one of the most important functionality available in Notepad++. Select the component that you want to have in your installation, click on next, and if you want to create shortcut, just select that option, click on install. So installation is very fast. Within a second installation is completed. Click on finish, and this opens your Notepad++. You can see the interface is very neat and clean, and it's very easy to use. So that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to receive notification whenever I publish a new video. Thanks for now. Bye bye and take care.